Hi, good day everyone. This video is about solving exponential inequalities. Okay, for this tutorial, so let's start to solve some problems naman for exponential inequalities. So may mga inequality symbol na tayo. Right, so for example number 1, let's say we have this 3 raised to x and that is less than 9 raised to x minus 2. Right, so ang first thing mong step na gagawin dito is actually magpa-pretend ka lang na parang nag-solve ka lang ng exponential equation. Okay? So yung step natin, pareho lang. So you need to rewrite this expression na may common base and then equate their corresponding exponents kapag equal na yung mga base natin. Same lang yung procedure, but this time, before mong i-equate, okay, or disregard yung mga base, before mo i-equate yung mga corresponding exponents nila, meron na tayong additional step, okay? So, alam natin na according sa concept ng exponential functions, the value of our base, ito yung mga base na meron ng values na greater than 0, and that base, dapat hindi siya equal kay 1. Okay? Yun yung pinaka-concept natin for exponential. But this time, i-consider naman natin dito yung direction of our inequality symbol na gagamitin. So, if your base or b is greater than 1, okay? Again, if your b sa inyong problem is greater than 1, then you need to retain the inequality symbol na ginamit sa ating problem. Okay? Kung ano yung direction niya, stay lang, hindi siya magbabago. Right? So that is for b which is greater than 1. And then yung next naman yun, kabaliktaran niya, if the value for base naman ay less than 1, right? So in symbol, okay, that is values of b that lies between 0 and 1. Okay? So bawal kasi maging negative. So any value that lies between 0 and 1, ano yung mga yun? So yun naman yung mga naka-negative or naka-fraction na value. So kapag ganoon naman yung na-encounter mong problem, so you need to reverse, okay? Reverse the indicated inequality symbol. Okay? I-reverse mo yung direction niya. So kapag naka-less than, kailangan mo balik talaga magiging greater than siya. Okay? So yun ang additional concept na meron tayo dito. So sa problem natin, we have this 3 raised to x again. That is less than 9 raised to x minus 2. So, same procedure. So, magpe-pretend tayo ng equation lang to. Therefore, kailangan mong i-rewrite to sa equation or expression na may common base. Okay? So, pwede nating i-modify yung 9. Okay? So, copy natin yung base. So, the base natin dito, I think that is 3. Okay? And 9 is equals to 3 squared. Okay? So, 3 squared is equals to 9. So, tama. Therefore, ito yung magiging bagong base natin. Okay? And that is raised to x minus 2. So, since naka-relate na natin siya, so equate na natin siya sa ating kabilang expression which is 3 raised to x. And then, copy the inequality symbol. Okay? And then next, okay, let's simplify this. So, apply natin yung power rule. So, that is according sa loss of exponent natin. We have this exponent raised to another exponent. So, kailangan natin sila pag-multiplyin. Therefore, i-relate natin to. So, we have 3 raised to x less than 3 raised to 2 times x minus 2. Okay? Now, since ito na yung step natin for equation, di ba? Same na yung base natin, disregard na natin sila, yung mga base natin, pero this time, kailangan mo muna mag-decide, ano yung b natin? So, i-retain mo ba siya or i-reverse yung inequality symbol? Okay, ito yung mahalaga. So, ano gagawin mo dito sa less than symbol na to? Retain ba or babalik ta rin mo? So, magasabi yun yung base natin. So, yung base natin, yung common base mo ay 3, okay? Since that is greater than 1, therefore, you need to retain the inequality symbol. Right? So, that means, kapag niretain natin, kapag nag-proceed ka na sa mga exponents, right, so copy our first exponent, and then retain the inequality symbol, copyhin mo lang. Okay? And that is less than 2 times x minus 2, and then solve for x lang. Okay? So, let's distribute the value of x. Therefore, that is 2 times x, that is 2x. And then 2 times negative 2, that is equals to negative 4. Right? And then solve for x. Okay, so let's combine like terms. Let's add 4 both sides para matanggal yung 4. And then let's subtract x both sides. Okay, para naman matanggal dito yung x. So, kakaroon ka dyan ng 4. So, that is 4. And that is less than 2x minus x. Cancel out 4. Right? So, cancel out yung x sa kabila. So, kakaroon ka ng 4 is less than 2x minus x. So, to solve this one, kakaroon ka dyan ng 4 is less than 2x minus x. That is 1x or simply x. And that's it. So, ito na agad yung pinaka-answer natin. Okay? So, that is actually our final answer. So, wala na tayo di-divide. 1-to-1 property, yun yung pinakasagot. Pero, kung gusto mo i-relate yung answer mo, again, usually nasa left side yung value ng ating variable, di ba? So, ito rin ay equal sa x as greater than 4. Okay, so pwede mo rin siya isulat sa ganitong way. So, pag biniliktad mo nga lang yung mga numbers or positions natin sa inequality, dapat the inequality symbol will follow. Okay? Dapat susunod din siya pag pinagpalit mo siya. Okay? Yan. So, ito yung ating problem number 1. Okay? Next. So, let's try to answer example number 2 naman. So, ito naman yung ito naman yung problem. So, ma-appreciate nyo rito yung pagre-reverse ng mga inequality symbol. Okay? So, for example, say we have this 1 all over 10. That is our base. Raised to x plus 5. And let's say that is greater than or equal to 1 all over 100. Right? So, raised to 3x. Ayan. So, this time, again, same procedure tayo. Let's solve this one. Katulad lang sa equation. Okay? So, dito, I think, okay na itong 10. Alright? So, pwede mo siyang i-rewrite as 10. Okay? Pwede mong gawing 10 yung base natin, kabilaan, or pwede mo na rin gawing 1 all over 10. Okay? Same lang naman yung magiging sagot nito sa dulo. Pero kapag ginawa natin siyang 1 all over 10 as the value of our base para isang side lang ating i-modify. So, pag modify natin to 1 all over 10, so possible siya maging equal kay 1 all over 10 raised to something. Okay? Raised to an exponent. Para same lang yung base natin. So, 1 all over 10. So, I think need natin siyang erase by 2. Okay? Or simply equals to 1 squared all over 10 squared. Same lang naman yung value niyan. So, 1 squared is equals to 1. So, pwede na nakaganto yung form. Right? So, that is our modified base. So, ito na yung base natin. Erase natin siya kay 3x. Okay? Yeah. So, next is, equate natin siya sa kabila. We have 1 all over 10 raised to x plus 5. And that is greater than or equal to our modified expression. Okay? And then, same procedure. So, we have this set of exponents muna. Simplify muna natin to before tayo mag-proceed sa inequality symbol. Okay? So, therefore, magkakaroon tayo dyan ng 1 all over 10 raised to x plus 5. That is greater than or equal to 1 all over 10 raised to 2 times 3x. Okay? This time, common na yung base natin. So, pag na-reach mo na yung step na to, kapag napansin mong equal na yung mga base mo, wala ka na ibang i-simplify pa, so, decide ka na. So, ano nga bang case dito? Reverse ba or retain? Since the value of our base is 1 all over 10, okay, that is a value na less than 1. Therefore, we need to reverse the indicated, okay, inequality symbol. Babalik na rin natin siya sa ating next step. Okay? So, let's say, disregard na natin yung mga base. Let's copy there. Let's proceed sa kanilang mga exponents. So, magkakaroon tayo dyan ng x plus 5. This time, meron tayong greater than or equal to. Gagawin naman natin siyang less than or equal to. Okay? Kasi i-reverse natin siya according sa base natin. And then, copy our remaining base. We have 2 times 3x. Okay? And then, solve for value of x lang. So, let's simplify this 2 times 3x. So, magkakaroon tayo ng x plus 5. That is less than or equal to 2 times 3x. That is 6x. And then, solve for the value of x lang. Combine like terms. Okay, I think we need to remove x both sides para ma-isolate natin yung terms sa may x. Okay? So, cancel out. Kakaroon tayo ng 5 is less than or equal to 6x minus x. That is 5x. Okay? And then, since we're asked to solve for the value of x lang, simplify natin, divide both sides by 5, cancel out, therefore, x is, again, pag nirelate natin siya dito, magkakaroon tayo ng 5 divided by 5, that is 1. 1 is less than or equal to x. That is our answer. Okay? Pero pagka transform natin to sa kabilang way naman, okay, pag nilipat natin yung value of x, so, ito rin ay equal sa x is greater than or equal to 1. Okay? And that is our answer. Right? So, yun. So, yun nga. Pwede tayo maka-encounter ng problem na kailangang i-retain or i-reverse yung mga inequality symbol. Okay, so, let's try to solve some problems pa. Okay, so, for example, number 3. So, let's try to solve this one. Let's say we have this 7. Okay, for example, we have 7 raised to 3x plus 4. So that is less than 49. Okay, raised to 2x plus 1. Right? So I encourage you to pause this video and then try to answer this one on your own. Okay? And then later, let's double check. Alright, so let's try to answer and let's try to double check your answers. Okay? So same procedure. So equate or solve natin ito gamit yung concept ng equation. Again, we have 7 and 49. I think gawin natin siya magkapareho yung base natin. So let's use the base 7 for 49. And then isip tayo ng exponent na dapat maging 49 to 7. So I think that is 2. Okay? Kasi 7 squared or 7 times 7 is equals to 49. Okay, ito na yung magiging bagong value ng base natin. And that is raised to 2x plus 1. Okay, and then copy our remaining expression lang. So we have 7 raised to 3x plus 4. And that is less than to our second expression. Okay? And then, next is, simplify natin itong expression na to. Okay, yung kanilang mga corresponding exponents. Therefore, so it will give us 7 raised to 3x plus 4. And that is less than 7 raised to 2 times 2x plus 1. Okay? So this time, na-reach na natin yung step na to again. Common yung mga base natin. So mag-decision tayo. Ano yung case na meron tayo nito? So i-retain ba or i-reverse? Right, so since the value of our base is 7 and that is obviously greater than 1, then we need to retain, okay, our inequality symbol is retained, okay? So i-retain natin, tsaka copyhin lang natin siya. So proceed na tayo ngayon sa kanilang mga exponents. So we have 3x plus 4 and that is less than, retain lang, okay? Less than 2 times 2x plus 1. And then simplify natin to. So let's distribute the value of 2x and 1. Therefore, it will give us 3x plus 4 is less than 2 times 2x. That is 4x. And then 2 times 1, that is plus 2. Right? So, combine like terms lang. Okay? Sunod-sunod na yung mga step natin. So, combine like terms, let's combine 3x and 4x and then positive 4 and 2. Right? So, to do that, I think we need to subtract 3x both sides. Subtract 3x both sides and subtract 2 both sides. Okay? So, to give us, cancel out this one. Kakaroon tayo ng 4 minus 2 and that is less than 4x minus 3x. So, cancel out 2. Okay? So, to simplify this one, kakaroon tayo dyan ng value as 4 minus 2, that is 2, is less than 4x minus 3x, that is equals to x. Okay, and that is our answer. Alright, so pagbaliktad natin to sa mas okay na way sa pagsulat, dapat nauna yung variable or yung missing term, that is x, is greater than 2. So that is our answer. Right? So yun lang. Same lang naman yung mga procedure na may encounter natin. Alright, so next. So let's try to answer some problems pa. Right, so for example number 4, so let's try to answer this. Let's say we have is 1 all over 25, or 1 over 5, sorry. 1 all over 5 raised to 2x minus 10. Okay, let's say that is less than or equal to 1 all over 25. Okay, raised to 3x plus 13. Okay, same procedure. Try to answer this one on your own. Pause this video and then let's try to solve this one and then check natin yung inyong answer. Alright, so let's try to answer this. Okay, same procedure. We have this 1 all over 5. So we are actually allowed to transform this 1 all over 5 as the value of 5 raised to a negative exponent. Pwede natin gawin yan. Pero para mas madali yung procedure natin, gawin na lang natin 1 all over 5, itong 1 all over 25. Okay? So, pag modify natin to, this is equals to 1 all over 5 squared. Okay? So, 5 squared is 25. So, equal na siya sa kabila. So, ito yung magiging value of our base na. So, that is raised to 3x plus 13. Okay? So, yan. Copy lang natin yung kabilang side. So, we have 1 all over 5 raised to 2x minus 10. So, copy our inequality symbol. Okay? So, again, before tayo mag-proceed sa mga reverse or retain, simplify muna natin to or multiply muna natin yung mga power raised to a power pa. Okay? So, magkakaroon tayo dyan ng, again, that is 1 all over 5. Let's copy our expression. raised to 2x minus 10 less than or equal to 1 all over 5. Okay, raised to 2 times 3x plus 13. So, i-multiply natin yan. Alright, so this time, na-reach na ulit natin yung part na to. Common na yung mga base natin. And then, mag-decide tayo, ano nga bang yung base natin? So, i-retain ba natin later or i-reverse yung inequality symbol? So, according to our base, we have 1 all over 5. Okay, dalawa yan. Dapat dalawa palagi yan. Dapat equal yan. Right, so since that is less than, so obviously that is less than 1. Therefore, we need to reverse, okay? I-reverse natin yung inequality symbol na meron tayo. Okay? So, let's proceed sa kanilang mga exponents. So, let's copy our exponent. We have 2x minus 10. And then, from less than or equal to, we need to use greater than or equal to symbol. Okay? And that is 2 times 3x plus 13. And then, that's it. So, simplify lang natin to. Combine natin yung like terms para masolve natin yung value of x. Right? So, let's distribute the value of 2 kay 3x. So, magkakaroon tayo ng 2 times 3x, that is 6x. And then, 2 times 13, that is plus 26. And then, copy the remaining terms. We have 2x minus 10. Okay? And then, after that, combine like terms lang. So, combine natin yung 2x and 6x, tapos yung negative 10, tsaka si positive 26. So, pag ginawa natin yun, magkakaroon tayo ng, again, that is, let's subtract 2x both sides. Okay, subtract natin yung 2x both sides. And then, let's subtract 26 both sides. Okay? So, again, pag simplify natin to, magiging cancel out. We have negative 10 minus 26 is greater than or equal to 6x minus 2x. Then, cancel out this 26. Right? So, let's simplify this one lang and then makukuha natin yung value of x. Okay, to simplify this, again, kakaroon tayo dyan ng negative 10 minus 26, that is negative 36. Okay, that is greater than or equal to 6x minus 2x, that is 4x. Okay, and then divide both sides by 4 para maging single value of x lang. So, we have this x. And then negative 36 divided by 4, okay, that is negative 9, right? So, negative number yan. And copy our remaining, or copy our indicated inequality symbol. And then that is our answer, okay? So, pag sinimplify natin siya or sinulat sa mas okay na way or mas proper way, that is x is less than or equal to negative 9. Okay, so that is our final answer, right? Next, so another example para mas marami tayo masolve. So, next example is, for example, let's say we have this 12 raised to x minus 4. So, that is greater than 144 raised to x minus 6. Okay? For example, we have this given problem. Right, so same procedure. So, simplify natin. Since we have this 12, i-modify natin to 144 sa exponential form niya as a number with the base of 12 raised to an exponent. So, si 144 ay equals kay 12 raised to 2. Okay, I think 2 yan. Kasi 12 times 12 is 144. Okay, so ito na yung magiging value of base natin. And then that is raised to x minus 6. Right, so na-modify na. I-rewrite na natin yung kabulang expression. So, we have 12 raised to x minus 4 and then greater than symbol. Okay, and then multiply natin to. And then proceed tayo sa routine or reverse. Okay? So, pag sinimplify natin, magkakaroon tayo ng 12 raised to x minus 4 greater than 12 raised to 2 times x minus 6. Okay? Pinag-multiply lang. Now, yung base natin, so we have this 12 as our base. Okay? Since that is 12, obviously greater than 1 yan. So, this time, i-retain natin yung ating inequality symbol na meron tayo. So, proceed tayo sa mga exponent. Pwede mo na i-disregard yung mga base natin. So, for the exponent, we have x minus 4. Copy our inequality symbol kasi retain lang. 2 times x minus 6. And then, solve for the value of x na lang. Okay? So, this time, distribute natin yung value of x or 2 kay x tsaka kay negative 6. So, magiging 2 times negative 6 or 2 times x. We have 2x. 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. Okay, and then copy the remaining expressions. Alright, so let's combine like terms and then solve for the value of x. Right, so let's subtract x both sides. and then let's add 12 both sides. Okay, therefore, cancel out x. We have negative 4 plus 12 is greater than 2x minus x. Okay, so simplify natin to. Negative 4 plus 12 is equals to positive 8. Okay, that is positive 8. And that is greater than 2x minus x, right? So that is equals to x. Or, so that is actually the answer. Pero pag nirelate natin, the answer is x is less than 8. So that is our final answer. Okay? And that's it. So again, that's different steps to solve exponential inequalities. I hope you learned something new. Okay? So thank you so much and God bless.